To get started with the Cibc InvestorS Edge option, begin by opening a search engine and typing in Cibc InvestorS Edge. From the search results, select the Cibc InvestorS Edge Online and Mobile Trading option, which will direct you to the InvestorS Edge webpage. Once there, you can find a Getting Started section that provides guidance on using the platform. The process of using InvestorS Edge is straightforward. It allows individuals to take control of their investments. The first step to start investing is to open an account, which is a secure, fast, and easy process. Upon opening an account, you will be prompted to sign on or register for online access. The next step involves setting up a user ID and password, which can be done by registering for online access if you don't already have one. The final step is to fund your account, which can be accomplished by signing on and transferring cash from a Cibc bank account, another bank account, or a brokerage account. Linking your bank account is necessary if it's not already connected. With these simple steps, you can easily get started with the Cibc InvestorS Edge and begin managing your investments.